preschoolers. Can you say hi to Kinsley?
Hey everybody!
We really miss you guys. So this is our first daily video. So since it's Monday, my preschool friends, hold on. Just wait. We would be having library in our class because it's Monday. So what we're going to do is first we're going to do our question of the day like we usually do calendar time. Then I'm going to read you a story, and then I'm going to show you some websites. Kind of like we. So trash cans. Think about that. If you were in school, where could you find a trash can? So Kinsley, if we were at school, where could you find a trash can?
The lunchroom.
In the lunchroom. We have trash cans in the lunchroom. Good. Where else? In our classroom by the art center. Good. Anywhere else? One place that I thought was in the restroom. There's trash cans in the restroom.
A boy and a girl.
Yep, there's one on each of the sides. So that was our question of the day for today. So now I'm going to read her story, and this is kind of a popular story in our classroom recycling day, paper bag princess. And so my preschool friends, this will be the last time we read this book. Sometimes we read our books sometimes. So the title is The Paper Bag Princess. The author is Robert Munsch, so he wrote the words, and the illustrator is Michael Mark. Elizabeth was a beautiful princess. She lived in a castle and had expensive clothes. She was going to marry a prince named Ronald. Unfortunately, a dragon smashed her castle, burned all of her clothes with his fiery breath, and carried off Prince Ronald. Not cool. Elizabeth decided to chase the dragon and get Ronald back. She looked everywhere for something to wear, but the only thing she could find that was not burnt was a paper bag. So she put on the paper bag and followed the dragon. He was easy to follow because he left a trail of burnt forest and horses' bones.
A dragon never ate it.
Finally, Elizabeth came to a cave with a large door that had a huge knocker on it. She took hold of the knocker and banged on the door. The dragon stuck his nose out the door and said, "Well, a princess. I love to eat princesses, but I have already eaten a whole castle today, and I'm very busy, dragon. Come back tomorrow." He slammed the door so fast that Elizabeth almost got her nose caught. Elizabeth grabbed the knocker and banged on the door again. The dragon stuck his nose out of the door and said, "Go away. I love to eat princesses, but I have already ate a whole castle today, and I'm a very picky dragon. Come back tomorrow." "Wait," shouted Elizabeth. "Is it true that you're the smartest and fiercest dragon in the whole world?" "Yes," said the dragon. "Is it true," said Elizabeth, "that you can burn up 10 forests with your fiery breath?" "Oh, yes," said the dragon. And he took a huge deep breath and burned out so much fire that he burned up 50 forests. "Fantastic," shouted Elizabeth. And the dragon took another huge breath and burned out so much fire that he burned up 100 forests. Magnificent. You know what magnificent means, Kinsley? Really cool. And the dragon took another huge breath, but this time nothing came out. The dragon didn't even have enough fire left to cook a meatball. So what's happening to the dragon, Kins? Yeah, because what's Elizabeth doing? That's part of her plan, isn't it? Elizabeth shouted, "Dragon, is it true that you can fly around the world in just 10 seconds?" "Why, yes," said the dragon. Elizabeth shouted, "Fantastic! Do it again!" So the dragon jumped up and flew all the way around the world in just 20 seconds. When he got back to the top, he went straight to sleep. Elizabeth spoke very softly, "Hey, dragon!" The dragon didn't move at all. She lifted up the dragon's ear and put her head right inside. She shouted as loud as she could, "Hey, dragon!" The dragon was so tired he didn't even move at all. Elizabeth walked right over the dragon and opened up the door. There was Prince Ronald. He looked at her and said, "Elizabeth, you are a mess. You smell like ashes, and your hair's all tangled, and you're wearing a dirty paper bag. Come back when you're dressed like a real princess." "Ronald," said Elizabeth, "your clothes are really pretty, and your hair is very neat. You look like a real prince, but you're a bum, and they didn't get married after all." That's Elizabeth walking away into the sunset. That was our story today, preschool friends. So now I have a little challenge for you. Since we can't go to the library and check out a book, I am going to put on 3 different places that you can find a book online. One is called Storyline Online. You can pick a book from there, and a person will read it to you, kind of like act it out, kind of make a movie. That's one choice. There's one called Epic. I have never used this one, but we'll see how it works. And then the last one is called Storytime from Space. And there's some stories on there. And when you pick one, it actually reads it right up in space. So there's 3 different ways you can pick a book. And if you guys pick one, parents, this is kind of geared towards you. I don't have like an activity for it. But if you just go on your tablet and click on activities, plus mark that you could just send me an activity even though one's not created. You could do it every time and just type in and say this they used Storytime from Space and pick this book. So good to see you, preschool friends, and we miss you. We'll see you every day in these videos. What do you want to say? So Chinsley wants to know. Are kind of do what are we doing at home? Doing home preschool. So we get our schedule, and her cousin might come over and do some of the small group stuff. Perfect. All right, bye preschool friends. We'll see you tomorrow, and we'll do a letter song. We'll see you later.